My name is Shishir. I'm based out of Vancouver in Canada. I still have a full-time job. I work in finance and in investments, but I've been in the e-com space for a while. That's when I came across Ben and John, their podcast, started listening, of course, and really saw the value that in what these guys are sharing, and then progressively got more and more involved. I mean, in my view, Dropship Breakthru really teaches you the crux of the business model itself, and then not just how you launch a business in high ticket, but also how you grow that in multiples in the next 2, 3, 5 years. So it's not just getting you off the ground, but making sure that you develop a sustainable business. I think the biggest thing is you feel the empathy coming out from these guys, not in just the course content that they create, but in all of their interactions. They're very empathetic with the situation you're in. They're very happy to guide you along. They're easily reachable. So I think all of that is very unique. In the past, I've had experiences with different communities, and it's you do miss being part of one when you're not in it. So I think it's important to surround yourself with the right people, and that's what I think this group is. It's not just Ben and John being helpful. It is the rest of the membership as well, who are very proactive in the community. It's a lively community. It's not a silent community where people are just listening. People are helping each other out, and doing it quite selflessly in many cases. So I would absolutely recommend Dropship Breakthru. I think, who would it be a good fit for? I think you have to have, of course, a bit of a mindset that you're willing to put in the work. If you have that interest in wanting to develop something of your own, sustainably, then I think this is the right program for you.